In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to change the address on your Google Business Profile. First, you need to be signed into your email that's tied to your Google Business Profile listing. I am already signed into my Google account. Then once you're signed in, just click this Google Apps tab. And then right in here, you'll be able to find this icon, which is Business Profile Manager. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you can just simply Google your Google Business Profile listing name and Google will automatically take you there. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click the icon for now. This is what the backend looks like. This is the name of your business and this is the store code. I'm not going to show you guys that information because these are my clients right now that I manage. So I don't want to give that information out. But what you want to do is in your Google Business Profile Manager, identify which location you would like to update with an address and click the pen button to it. For an example, I'm going to use one of my partners' listings here out in California. This is the business information. And then if you scroll down, this is where it's going to pop you up to once you click that button. You scroll all the way down. This is number, this is website, this is social profiles, location and areas. And then what you want to do is you want to hover over and click on that and you click that pen. And then once you click the pen, you'll be given two choices here. Do you want to show the address on your profile so the customers can visit your place? Or if you don't, then you can just go ahead and add an address in here. If you want to change the currently existing address, all you have to do is just update the street address here, your city, your state, your zip code, and click save. And once you click save, what will happen is this current address will show as it's got crossed and the new address will be displayed. But that address will not be immediately updated. It might take as long as 15 to 30 minutes. In some cases, I've seen taking half a day, and in worst cases, taking one full day. In some cases, Google does request verifications of the new address, meaning what they will do is Google will send you a postcard with a PIN code inside at your new address that you have changed the Google Business Profile to. In most cases, you'll punch in that code and verify the listing. In some cases, code is not enough and Google might request further verification, meaning you having to submit your LLC documents or something that's showing that your business is operating on that particular address. And this has been a case 50 to 50 times. In a best scenario, you just punch it in and it goes through and great. Sometimes they even make you re-verify the address just by sending you a code on your phone or an email that's associated to your website. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you're wondering exactly how to change your address, which I already showed you, but please let me know if you are experiencing any type of challenges in the comment section below or what your experience was like, so that way we can learn from other people's experiences and gather a new set of data. For now, thanks for watching.